Have you ever wondered what's powering those seamless online transactions? Behind the scenes, companies like Paysafe are playing a crucial role. But how are they doing financially? Let's dive into the numbers and uncover the story of Paysafe's financial performance. Paysafe, a leading global payment solutions provider, offers a wide range of services, from online payments and e-wallets to acquiring and merchant services. But how has this translated into financial success? Key financial metrics. Revenue. Let's start with the top line. How has Paysafe's revenue grown over the years? Are there any significant trends or patterns to observe? Profitability. Are they making money? Let's analyze Paysafe's profit margins, including gross profit margin, operating profit margin, and net profit margin. Cash flow. How is Paysafe managing its cash? We'll look at cash flow from operations, investing activities, and financing activities. Debt. Is Paysafe carrying a lot of debt? Let's assess its debt-to-equity ratio and interest coverage ratio. Return on investment, ROI. How efficiently is Paysafe using its resources to generate returns? We'll calculate and analyze its ROI. Visuals. Charts and graphs. Use clear and visually appealing charts to illustrate revenue growth, profitability, cash flow, and debt. Animations. Create animations to explain complex financial concepts or to highlight key trends. Stock price. Show the historical performance of Paysafe's stock price to give viewers a sense of market sentiment. Analysis and insights. Compared to competitors, how does Paysafe's financial performance stack up against its competitors in the payments industry? Industry trends. Are there any industry-wide trends that are impacting Paysafe's financial performance? Future outlook. Based on the current financial data, what does the future hold for Paysafe? Are there any potential risks or opportunities? Storytelling. Humanize the numbers. Tell stories about how Paysafe's financial performance has impacted its employees, customers, and shareholders. Connect to real-world examples. Use real-world examples to illustrate how Paysafe services are used in everyday life. Subscribe and like. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel for more financial analysis and insights. Share and comment. Ask viewers to share the video with their friends and leave comments with their thoughts or questions. Recap key points. Summarize the main findings from the analysis. Final thoughts. Offer your final thoughts on Paysafe's financial performance and its future prospects. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.